diary. Jeez, what are you, 5? So childish. No one has any of these anymore.
Please don't read it.
Yeah, hey, I'm not finished here.
Yeah, you are.
Hey.
What are you thinking? Just gonna push her on the ground and read her diary?
Yeah.
No!
Wow.
Stop being a bully. That's being a bully. Get out of here. God. Are you okay?
I am now.
It's kind of broken, but we can fix it. Let's get you up. Let's go fix your diary.